everyone and welcome back. So today I'm doing this St. Patrick's look. Pretty creative, pretty different. I think I seen somebody do this look maybe sometime last year, and so I decided to do it on my own, do a little spin on it. This eye got a little messed up because it was the first eye I did, and the first eye you do, you're basically trying to get your technique down, so I figured out my technique basically halfway through. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look and enjoy it, and if you want to see how to create this look, then just keep on watching.
So first I'm starting off with a Morphe eye base, of course, and then I'm gonna go straight in with a packer brush, 2 green shades from the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna pack that on and blend it out. So for the rainbow, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild paint palette, and I got this around Halloween time. I don't know if they still have it up on their website, but I just took this super small detailer brush and drew on each and every color. And then to set it, I used my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is just the best way that I found out to do it. And then I just brushed it away with my green, and then I just repeated that for every single color. So for the pot of gold, I just used my Stila Long Day eyeliner and drew it on as best as I could. And then for the little gold, I took the yellow from the Wet n Wild palette again and just stamped those in there and set it again with my Maybelline. And then after this, I just threw on some lashes.
so that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, comment down below what your St. Patrick's Day plans are. Mine's probably just hanging out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.